is aware of this.
No comment.
Sir, you said that you will speak later, sir.
Later, in the evening.
Times Now's Mumbai Bureau Chief Kajal Iyer confronts the Home Minister of Maharashtra once again, and the response is the same. Later. We'll speak about it later. Why not now? What is the Home Minister here trying to either hide, or why is he trying to run away from the questions? Why is he evading the questions? Tuhin Sinha, the Home Minister, has been confronted twice now by Times Now, and the standard response that is coming in is later.
So why don't you also confront the Yuva Neta of Bandra? Because so much is happening in Bandra. You know, he needs to be questioned whether the Yuva Neta of Bandra was privy to what was happening. But anyway, on 14th August, I had tweeted that the Agadi Sarkar does not seem to be so bothered about who killed Sushant. Their larger worry seems to be a much murkier scandal involving the cream of Bollywood.
Right.
And some
Tuhin Sinha,
politicians.
stay.
This is
Tuhin
what I
Sinha,
had
stay on with us.
what
Let's
needs to be
once again play out that sequence, because the Home Minister is evading our questions. That is not something that is not acceptable. And let's play out the sequence where he's running away from our tough questions.
So since you said you will speak later, have you had any information about Riya Chakrabarti and the drug chats that she probably had with her associates? Was the Mumbai police aware of this?
No comment.
Sir, you said that you will speak later, sir.
Later, in the evening.
So this is the second such confrontation with the Home Minister of Maharashtra. First in the morning he says, later I'll speak, does not give us a timeline. The question is the same. Did the Mumbai police, did the Maharashtra government know of this drug angle? And if yes, what action will be they taking? Now in the afternoon, once again when Kajal Iyer confronted the Home Minister of Maharashtra, no response coming in. He says, no comments, we'll speak later. And when then Kajal asks him, when is that time going to come when you'll speak and respond to our questions? He says, in the evening. So the Home Minister of Maharashtra clearly in this case at this point in time has no answers. But why is that the case? Let's go back to our guest, Tuhin Sinha. This is the reason why there were suspicions and doubts on the way the investigation was proceeding under the Mumbai police. Now the Home Minister has no answers at all. We'll talk later, says the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, who at every instance earlier jumped to defend the Mumbai police's investigation, and he would respond every now and then on the questions that were being raised in the manner the investigation was proceeding, trying to shield the Mumbai police by saying that the Mumbai police is doing a good job. Let's go across to my colleague Pranesh now, joining us with more details on this particular news break. The Home Minister once again says, we'll talk later. Pranesh.
स्वाति, जब हमने पहली बार सवाल पूछा अनिल देशमुख जो महाराष्ट्र के होम मिनिस्टर हैं, उन्होंने कहा विल टॉक लेटर। हमारी रिपोर्टर मुंबई की जो ब्यूरो चीफ है काजल अय्यर उनके घर के बाहर खड़ी रही। 2 घंटे बाद वो बाहर निकले। वी आस्क्ड हिम द क्वेश्चन अगेन अबाउट द रिया ड्रग डिस्क्लोजर। ही सेज नो कमेंट। उसके बाद गाड़ी में बैठने से पहले उन्होंने कहा विल टॉक इन द इवनिंग। आई वांट टू ब्रिंग इन एग्जीक्यूटिव एडिटर विवेक नारायण। विवेक, व्हाट डू यू मेक ऑफ दिस sham response? Because India will not take this lying down. This silence and this sham response won't work.
Well, it's one of those issues where politicians are out of breath, out of answers. Direct questions put to them, not once, but twice, but throughout the day we promise. Times Now journalists will be hounding you. The word I use is hounding, because there is definitive evidence of malpractice, of attempt to murder perhaps.
And
even.
this man must answer all the more because
Precisely.
he jumped the gun just hours after Sushant Singh's body was discovered by the flatmates. Vivek, he said, this is an open and shut case, suicide hai ye to.
Well, within 15 minutes, if Mumbai police can come out and Mumbai politicians can come out in an hour and say that it's a case of a suicide, you need to answer. What does these messages mean? What does these drops mean? Drops mixed in coffee, clear evidence.
And not
Pranesh.
just the Home Minister, Vivek, the 1 minute, Swati, I want to also highlight the other important thing, which is the silence of the Mumbai Police Chief, Mr. Parambir Singh. If you are watching the Times Now broadcast, and if you are not, then you are missing out on this big disclosure, because India is only talking about one thing, which is this drug disclosure expose on Times Now, only channel with 8 chats, Swati, and we haven't heard one response from the Maharashtra government
viewers
officially.
are also calling us up, and they are also now asking, is this the reason why any other investigating agency's probe was being blocked by the Maharashtra government? Was this the reason?
And those questions will have to be answered by the Uddhav government, Uddhav Thackeray, the Chief Minister, and all his ministers. But so far what we've had, and I will say this slowly so that it sinks in, first response from Anil Deshmukh was, I will speak later. We thought ठीक है, मॉर्निंग वॉक से आए हैं मंत्री जी, थोड़ी देर बाद बोलेंगे. ये हमने कल शाम को चलाया था, the RIA drug disclosure. 2 hours later, nicely dressed, walks out of his house, says no comments, hears the question again, and then says, I will talk in the evening.
You know,
What
if he
is
will
Anil
not
Deshmukh
respond,
waiting
Pranesh,
for?
we will ask him counter questions. अगर इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बिना सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस में वो कह सकते हैं 15-20 मिनट के अंदर कि ये सुसाइड का मामला है, तो अब तो ईडी ने इन चैट्स को रिट्रीव किया है. एक इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी है, सेंट्रल एजेंसी है, उनके इन्वेस्टिगेशन पर तो कम से कम रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिए.
Bilkul, and this is hard evidence, and you can go back to your guest now on this. This is hard evidence we are talking about. ये कोई hearsay नहीं चला रहे हम Times Now पे. WhatsApp chats which were deleted has now been retrieved by the ED. It has been given to the CBI. The Narcotics Control Bureau is also seized of the matter. They will also, in some time from now, will be holding that high-level meeting in which they will discuss the next course of action. But the Maharashtra government is silent. The Maharashtra Home Minister has said no comment, will talk in the evening.
You know, but they won't be able to hide behind that excuse for long. Pranesh, stay on with us. Let me quickly also go across to our guest, Swapnil Kothari. Standard response coming in from the Home Minister of Maharashtra, will talk later. There seems to be, in fact, no answers. The Home Minister has no answers, and that's why he is evading our questions on the drug angle now emerging, because they clearly know they're on the back foot now.
Absolutely, Swati and Pranesh. Silence is the best, sort of a weapon, because what the silence says is that, look, if I were to answer, it will open up a can of worms, unfortunately. So, let me best keep quiet on this. So it's a complete giveaway. And more so what I'm interested in is as to what the Narcotics Control Bureau decides, Swati, today in Delhi when they come. And I hope they land here as fast as the CBI did next day after the Supreme Court's order, and start taking control of this, because they are a specialized unit. They can really delve deep into this and try to help the Enforcement Directorate and the Central Bureau of Investigation into cracking this case, because there are several angles to this case, which I'm sure it's not only drugs, but I'm sure something more sinister than that as well. And, so when all these 3-4 agencies get together, it's just a saying that, when after the judiciary passes the order and when the Enforcement Directors, Central Bureau of Investigation and the National Narcotics Control Bureau get together, then even God cannot save you.
Right.
So, so I hope that rings true now as far as this case is concerned, so that justice is meted out.
Yes, I know, Ravi Srivastava, you want to come in, and I'll come to you. Stay on with us, Swapnil Kothari and Ravi Srivastava. We have a breaking input coming.